Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying essentials: version, build number, and clear release notes. Log in to your developer account because expired certificates stop uploads. Once done, open App Store Connect or Play Console and select the app you'll update. Now create a new release or upload a new build file. This starts the pipeline. Make sure to attach the correct provisioning profile or key store, since mismatches break installation. Move on only after the platform accepts the build and shows a successful processing status. Next, you configure the release metadata and distribution. Choose staged rollout versus immediate release. Staged limits exposure and reduces risk. Add localized release notes and update permissions so users understand new features and privacy changes. Then select supported devices, minimum OS versions, pricing tiers, and geographic availability. These control who sees the update. Once configured, run the built-in checks and automated tests. Address flagged issues. When all validations pass, finally submit the update for review or publish it if allowed. You should note the submission ID and expected review window because tracking avoids surprises. Monitor status, crash reports, and early analytics after release to catch regressions quickly. If the update is rejected, read the reviewer notes carefully, fix the specific issue, and resubmit. Don't guess. One key troubleshooting tip: clear build caches, increment the build number, and re-upload a signed artifact. That resolves most processing and signature errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.